Socrates once has said, the unexamined lives not worth living. Fellow graduates of the first batch from 2024 from Beeline campus, we surely have examined and also unlocked our potential over these past several months.
Dr. Priyantha Wickramagai, chairman of Beeline campus, has truly worked on the lines of empowering individuals by willingly guiding the students towards shared goals and helping them to achieve their educational success. Cordially invite Dr. Priyantha Wickramagai, the chairman of Beeline campus, to address the gathering.
And we are registered under the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka. We conduct an advanced diploma in English, course duration is 600 hours. We are functioning in partnership with STFL under the Ministry of Education, so we are eligible to use the government logo now certificates and at our campus. Every year, approximately 2,000 students step into our campus to learn English. Dear sirs and madams, this batch consists of 1,200 students. Now all of you can speak in English.